So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I have yet another cool unboxing which is about this Optimus Prime diecast model from Dickie Toys, and this is an official Hasbro licensed diecast model, and by the way they make all the other car models as well as the figurines, the metal figurines, and this one is a truck diecast model of Optimus Prime, and I think it's based from the Last Night movie, and it feels quite a bit heavy, and but I guess the wheels are made of plastic and I'm not sure about the base. It looks very nice, so let's unbox it and I'll review it. So finally here we have the casting, and let's take a closer look at this. Not gonna lie, I did not expect it to look this good. It looks very massive, and yeah, if you look at a distance it looks very good for Optimus Prime diecast model. So starting on the details of this casting, we get the silver painted bumper and the silver painted grills, and the red flame effect on the body, on the hood, and on this wheel cover as well. It's not perfect but it looks okay, and the metal is this glittery paint of dark blue. We get a lot of chrome details all over the body and on the back as well, and we get the trailer hook attachment slot here. The base is plastic, but even though it's plastic it feels very heavy. It has 6 free rolling wheels and it rolls freely. So this was Optimus Prime diecast model from Dickie Toys, and I bought this online at a cost of around 800 rupees. I'm not sure what is the actual price of this casting. Obviously it's an imported. Since I saw it listed on a online website somewhere, I just bought it because it looked good. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this particular Optimus Prime casting, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos like this. Thank you.